Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out the Merry Christmas sale going on at your local Harbor Freight. So let's dive in. So we're going to check out some of these deals right here. We start off with a extension cord, 100-foot option right there. Pretty good price. Also a McGraw air impact wrench, $35 right here. Pretty good price for that one. Also the Merlin air hose right here for $12. You can see the drop in the price there. Also have a garden hose. Always great to grab these. Might not be using it for a while, but it's great to grab it. And then we also have the Fortress Ultra Quiet option here for $170. Again, solid price for that one here. Then we have the circuit tester. See, these are down $3 here. Little circuit tester if you're going to be testing some of those. And we have welding helmet. We've seen this on sale a couple times, down to $37. Pretty good option on that one. Ratchet tie down, $12. Pretty large option there. And then even the 4-ton bottle jack here, $20. And then also the compact trolley jack for $35. Again, it's pretty good prices on these. Next, we also see the Bauer bench grinder, $50. Again, I'll talk about some more Bauer deals here a little bit later in the video. Also have some wire wheels. Check some of these out, $4 there. Security bit set, $8 from Warrior. Then we even have some Pittsburgh wrenches for $8. Then a Pittsburgh option right there for tape measures, the pry bars, a couple of different other Pittsburgh options, even a little surge protector here for $4. Some Warrior drill bits. Then a little bag, if you need a little bag right here, $7. Voyager. Then we even have the option for the tote, a little bit more sturdy, $9 on that one. Pittsburgh 301 Mechanics Toolkit, down to $170. Getting another solid option for that one. And then we saw the contractor garden hose just a second ago, right there for $30. Then we get into some Inside Track Club deals as well. I wanted to show you all some of these. So you have to pay to be a part of that if you don't know, but you can make that money back sometimes in like one purchase. So always check if you're going to be purchasing some of these, check and see how much it is to get into the Inside Track Club. And a lot of times it's worth it for one spot right there. Little spot welder. We also saw another welder. And then a little case here from Apache. $44 for that. You can see pretty significant off. We also have the storage option for the garage, down to $40. You get to save about $10 on that one. Another Bauer option here, down to $43 for the drill. More deals right here for the Inside Track Club. We'll kind of show you guys some of the deals, some of the clearance, and even more Merry Christmas deals. But more Earthquake XTs. We saw these on sale at Black Friday. So you'll check some of these out. Now we get into some clearance options right here as well. $80 for these. And then we saw this on sale just a second ago, the air impact wrench, $35 for that. Great deal for that one. Central Pneumatic, $15. Air ratchet options. We also have a couple more clearance items that have been picked over. And then we have the Chief option here, the air hammer. Then even the Chief angle grinder for $90 there. A couple other options. Again, most of these are Inside Track Clubs right here. Central Pneumatic belt sander, $20. Hard to beat that. McGraw air sander, $31. And then also Baxter as well. Retractable hose reel dropped in price down to $70. Still a pretty good deal. We did see a lot of these on sale at Black Friday, but still some pretty good deals. And we see a couple more options right here. A lot of these have been dropped, but as you can see, a lot of them have been picked over. A lot of the store was picked over when I was there. Another Central Pneumatic air hose reel clearance down to $40. Another Central Pneumatic as well down to $25. And then even another hose right here for $5. Another Merry Christmas option. I want to show you this McGraw. We saw it a minute ago, but the McGraw option right here for the pancake. So if you want to grab that one, you get to save a little bit of money. Also, the actual Badland winch rope here, little puller, and then the heavy-duty cable winch puller, $32 right there. Another option for $22. Road shock lights, $18. See another option right here for the support cargo bar, so another option for the vehicle, $12 on that one. And we also saw this ratchet earlier, but just to show you a couple more options for that for $12 for some of these larger ratchets here. More clearance items. We have some of these ropes, a bunch of different ropes. Again, some of these were picked over, but you can see some of the ones that still are available. Even some inside Track Club. Like I said, there was a lot of tags all over the store, just all different type of things like this, but a bunch of different ones. Even some of these Merry Christmas sales kind of mixed in here. But also, let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing at this Merry Christmas sale, or if you are grabbing some of the inside Track Club deals. Also have the powder coating system here, down in price, down to $70. Banks Brad Nailer, $25 here. Another good option with that. And I'll also have a bunch of these links down below, so if you're interested in some of these items, you can check and see if these items are listed down below. Have some lights on sale, so if you need some of these, again, pretty good Christmas deals. Also have some batteries. These are some kind of like mid-range batteries, so probably not the best high-end stuff, but again, with the clearance prices, definitely worth that. Get to save some money. More options right here for Braun. Got some flashlights. They had a bunch of these on sale and still a couple more. Pittsburgh bearing separator, $40. Save about $10 on that one. A couple more lower deals I wanted just to point out here. Slide hammer and bearing puller set. Also the hydraulic gear puller. And then a couple more Pittsburgh items as well. Maddox also had a bunch on sale. $60 right here for the flaring toolkit. Then another $36 here for the dual power for Pittsburgh. Then a Bauer option right here, a little blower for $18. Then we have the 1 gauge option here for $48 for the jumper cables. Little barrel pump here, $189 for inside Track Club. Merry Christmas, $13 here for the ammo can. Again, pretty good option for that one. Pittsburgh also had a couple other deals, $50 here for some of their socket sets. Another option here, $50 for the Quinn 66-piece socket set. $30 here for the inside Track Club Pittsburgh socket set. So again, got to be ITP for that one. Then they also have the Hercules buy a battery and charger starter kit for $99. You can see all the different options right there. A bunch of different drills, saws, and other things like that. So if you want to buy the charger, you get a free tool. A couple of different spray nozzles, $5 for that one. Might have to pick one of those up. And then we got a couple more lower prices on some Pittsburgh tools here. T-handle hex keys. I really like those. They feel good when you're trying to work on some stuff like that. $4 here for Pittsburgh. Again, different options for that one. Bauer also had theirs on sale. Get a tool when you, or get a free tool when you buy a battery and charger for $79. So again, you get the tool options as well. Chainsaws, saws, all kind of fun stuff right there. Even at a lower price right here on this one as well. So a bunch of different deals going on with Bauer. Had the wood lathe chuck set for Bauer, $100 with that one right there. Again, some good prices and good options. Also the belt and disc sander, $250 here, Central Pneumatic. Never tried that one. And then also we have the Edge, oscillating edge belt and spindle sander here for Bauer, $169. Bunch of different options right there for that. And then we saw some of these earlier, but the wrench sets has the standard and the metric options, $8. Pretty good deals right there. Pittsburgh as well. A little bit larger set there for $18. So if you needed one of those. Vulcan has their helmets on sale for $130. So they're going to be doing welding or grinding. Some good options here. And we saw this one earlier, Chicago Electric, down to $38. Have the spool gun, $150. Then we also have the Vulcan as well, $230. Spool gun. Bauer bitch grinder, pretty good price for that one. Going to do a solid option for you, solid job. Pittsburgh as well, down $10 here. Mini moisture meter. It's kind of hard to say that one fast. Stud finder here. And then we also have the rapid pull saw. $5 for this one, clearance. Have the angle grinder here for Bauer. $18 on that one. And then Hercules has theirs. $60 for their angle grinder. Probably need to grab me one of those. Reciprocating saw kit, $40 for Warrior. Then hot knife. Saw this on sale a few weeks ago. If you need a hot knife, you can grab that one. Warrior also has their saw stand. Inside Track Club at $50. And then Warrior has their miter saw down to $80 for Inside Track Club members as well. Then we have the 6-tool combo kit for Bauer. This has been on sale for a while, but still is a pretty good deal. 6 tools, 2 batteries, and a charger. So you get some drills, impact driver. Also, you get the multi-tool, saw, light, and a blower. Then there's a 2-tool combo kit as well here. You get the impact and the drill, and I think those are pretty good deals. $100 on that one. Then we get into a couple more options here for Warriors. The nut driver set, $4 on clearance here. More Bauer options. Get this drill, $44. Again, going to do a good job, I believe. And then more options right here for Bauer. So again, good deals on that one. Right here, $35. Impact wrench, little compact option. Warrior drill down to $25 as well. Pretty good price on that one. We have the finishing sander for Bauer, $20. Another good option, good deal. I think it's going to be good for you. Then we have the detail sander here, $20. And then also Hercules doing their same thing as well. A couple more options. $30. It is missing a little heat gun. There it is right there. Was able to find it. Again, pretty good option. Bauer, good deal. We have the towel saw. Diamondback for $160. So if you need one of those, good price on that. Then we also have some of their shop towels, $4. Then I want to show you some of these deals. I really like looking in these and just seeing kind of what's available. Again, you want to make sure if you do buy from the clearance corner or whatever is in your store, you want to make sure you go and look and see what's in there, make sure it works, and check everything out because you want to make sure that, again, whatever they returned is right in there and does work. I think they said there's about a 5-day return window, so you want to make sure and see if anything in there is available and make sure everything is in your box. I don't think I'd be buying that item right there. And just a reminder, they do have deals online. They have the 12 deals of Christmas. They also have the Merry Christmas coupons going on right now, so make sure you check those out before you go to the store. And then they even have the dollar days as well. So make sure you check out all these deals going on before you head down to your local Harbor Freight. But I think overall there's some pretty good deals going on right now. Let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing. I also have some items listed down below. But if this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.